Okay, we're recording. Hi, Dr. Johnson, Eli, and Hayat here. Hayat is going to start, and I will go next.
We are going to learn a spelling rule about adding suffixes when the root word ends in Y. Listen to the rule. When a word ends in a consonant in Y, change the Y to I before adding any suffix other than ing.
Okay, kids, I have the word cry, and I want to add the suffix ed. Cry ends in a consonant and Y, and I'm adding a suffix other than ing. So I change the Y to an I. Everyone spell cried. Cried.
Now I have the word copy, and I want to add the suffix ed. Copy ends in a consonant and Y, and I'm adding a suffix other than ing. So I change the Y to a I. Everyone spell copied. Copied.
I have the word copy, and I want to add the suffix ing. Copy ends in a consonant and Y, but I'm adding the suffix ing, so I do not change the Y to an I. Everyone spell copying. Copying.
Now I have the word cry, and I want to add the suffix ing. Cry ends in a consonant Y, but I'm adding the suffix ing. So I do not change the Y to a I. Everyone spell crying. Crying.
Here is the word pacify, and I want to add the suffix ist. Pacify ends in a consonant and a Y, and I'm adding a suffix other than ing. So I change the Y to an I. Before you spell pacifist, look, when I'm left with two I's, I just keep one of them. Everyone spell pacifist. Pacifist.
Here is the word play, and I want to add the suffix er. Play ends in a vowel and Y. Play does not end with a consonant and Y. So I do not change the Y to an I. Everyone spell player. Player.
All right, now let's spell some words together. We have the word study, and we want to add the suffix ed. Does study end in a consonant and a Y? Yes. Am I adding a suffix other than ing? Yes. So do we change the Y to an I? Yes, we do. So write studied. Studied. Put your pencil down to show me that you're done. Check your spelling if you missed a word and cross it out to rewrite it. Spell studied. Studied.
Now I have the word stay, and we want to add the suffix ed. Does stay end in a consonant and Y? No. Do we change the Y to a I? No. Write stayed. Put your pencils down to show me that you are done. When students are done, the teacher writes stay. Check your spelling if you missed the word. Cross it out and rewrite it. Spell stayed. Stayed.
We have the word funny, and we want to add the suffix est. Does funny end with a consonant and a Y? Yes. And are we adding a suffix other than ing? Yes, we are. So do we change the Y to an I? Yes. Write funniest and put your pencil down to show me when you are done. Check your spelling, and if you missed the word, cross it out and rewrite it. Spell funniest. Funniest.
Now it's your turn. Here is the word mightier. mighty, and we want to add the suffix mighty. Write mightier. When students are done, does mighty end with a consonant and why? Yes. Are we adding a suffix other than ing? Yes. Do we change the y to a I? Yes. Check your spelling of mightier. Everyone spell mightier. Mighttier.
The word is replay, and we want to add the suffix ed. Write replayed. Does replay end with a consonant and a y? No. Do we change the y to an I? No. So check your spelling of replayed. Everyone spell replayed. Replayed. And now we'll go over our examples that we wrote for the guiding step 3.
Example 1, we have the word happy, and we want to add the suffix ness. Ness. Does happy end with a consonant and a y? Yes. Are we adding a suffix other than ing? Yes. Do we change the y to a I? Yes. Write happiness. Put your pencils down to show me that you are done. Spell happiness. Happiness. If word is misspelled, cross it out and rewrite it.
Example 2, we have the word very, and we want to add the suffix ance. Does very end with a consonant and a y? Yes. And are we adding a suffix other than ing? Yes. So do we change the y to an I? We do, yes. So write variance and put your pencil down to show me that you are done. Spell variance, variance. If you misspell the word, cross it out and rewrite it again.
Now we have the word accompany, and we want to add the suffix ing. Does accompany end in a consonant and y? No. Do we change the y to an I? No. Write accompanying. Put your pencil down to show me that you are done. Check spelling. If you misspelled the word, cross it out and rewrite it. Spell accompanying. ACCOMPANYING.
And our second and last non-example is we have the word enjoy and we want to add the suffix ed. Does enjoy end in a consonant and a y? No. Do we change the y to an I? No. Write enjoyed and put your pencil down to let me know when you are done. If you have missed a word, cross it out and rewrite it. Spell enjoyed. ENJOYED.